Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel A Ray of Success. Today we are going to discussing about what are the properties of matrix multiplication. The first property of matrix multiplication is matrix multiplication not satisfy the condition of commutative property. What is a commutative property? If you consider product AB equal to BA, then it is satisfy the commutative property. But in matrix multiplication, it not satisfying this condition. So we can say AB not equal to BA. So matrix multiplication not satisfying the commutative property. Okay. To prove this condition, we can take two matrices. A is equal to 1 0 2 1 and B is equal to 1 0. Okay. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 1 matrix. Here n values become equal. So we can take product. Also here we can take a minus 1 0. It is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. We can multiply. We can take AB product first. This we can take the first row and first column. So 1 is multiplied with 1, then you will get 1 into 1, then 0 into 0, 0 plus 0. Then the second element, this first row element is multiplied with the second column element. So 1 into minus 1, then 0 into 0, 0. Next, take the second row element multiplied with the first column element. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Also second row element is multiplied with the second column element. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 0, 0. We will get answer become 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 2. So this is our AB product. Okay. Then we can take BA product. B into A. We can write here B become 1 minus 1 0 0. A become 1 0 2 1. Okay. We can multiply. Take first row and first column element. 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Then take first row element with second column element. 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Next take second row element. 0 into 1 0, also 0 into 2 0. Next 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. So the answer become 1 minus 2 become minus 1. Here minus 1. Here 0. If you compare this AB value and BA value, it is not equal. So we can say AB not equal to BA. From this we can say matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay. Second property. Matrix multiplication is associative. That means A into BC should be equal to AB into C. So it follow the condition of associative property. So matrix multiplication is associative. So to prove this condition, we can take the matrices. The same matrix we can take AB. Then we can take another matrix also C. It should be equal to 1 minus 1 0 2. Okay. First we should find out what is B into C. B, what is B? 1 minus 1 0 0. C become 1 minus 1, 0, 2. We can multiply. 1 into 1 become 1. Then minus 1 into 0 become 0. Then 1 into minus 1 become minus 1. Then 1 into 2 become 1 into minus 1 become minus 1. Also minus 1 into 2 become minus 2. Then 0 into 1 becomes 0. Also 0 into 0 becomes 0. Also 0 into minus 1 become 0. Also 0 into 2 becomes 0. It should be equal to 1 minus 3, 0, 0. So here we get BC value. Then take the product of A into BC. What is A? 1, 0, 2, 1. BC become 1 minus 3, 0, 0. We can take the product. 1 into 1 become 1. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0. So we will get 1. 1 into minus 3, 0 into 0. So minus 3. 2 into 1 become 2. 1 into 0 becomes 0. So 2. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 1 into 0, 0. So minus 6. Okay. This is 1. Next to find out what is AB. We get the answer here. We can take AB is equal to. Okay, here we get AB. Then we find out AB into C. What is the answer? AB 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. C become 1 minus 1, 0, 2. You can take the product. 1 into 1 become 1. Then minus 1 into 0 become 0. So 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1, 2 become minus 2. So minus 1 plus minus 2 become minus 3. Then 2 into 1, 2. So 2. Then 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Here also minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4 become minus 6. So this is equation number 2. If you compare these two values, that is A into BC values and AB into C, both are equal. So we can say matrix multiplication obey the condition of associative. Both are equal. This is the second property of matrix multiplication. Third property of matrix multiplication is consider A is a square matrix. Then we can find out A square. What is A square? If A is a square matrix, then we can find out A square should be equal to A into A. Okay. Also we can find out A cube. A cube should be equal to A square into A. Likewise, we can find out A raised to 4. It should be equal to A square into A square, like that. Okay. This is the third properties of a matrix multiplication. Next, fourth property. Fourth property become A raised to M the whole raised to N. It should be equal to A raised to M into N. This is the fourth property of a matrix multiplication. Again, if we know A raised to M into A raised to N, it should be equal to A raised to M plus N. So this is the fourth property of a matrix multiplication. Next, fifth property. Matrix multiplication obey the distributive law. That means A into B plus C should be equal to AB plus AC. So it obey the condition of distributive law. To prove this condition, we can take three matrices. A is equal to 1, 0, 2, 1. B is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, 0. And C is equal to 1, minus 1, 0, 2. First find out what is B plus C. We can add corresponding element 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 plus minus 1, minus 2, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2 become 2. Then take the product of A into B plus C. First 1 into 2 become 2, then 0 into 0 become 0. So first element become 2. Also 1 into minus 2 become minus 2, 0 into 2 becomes 0. So next minus 2. 2 into 2 become 4, 1 into 0 become 0. So first third element is 4. Then 2 into minus 2 become minus 4, 1 into 2 become 2. So minus 4 plus 2 become minus 2. This is equation number 1. Next find out AB and AC. A become 1 0 2 1, B become 1 minus 1 0 0. Take the product. 1 into 1 become 1, 0 into 0 become 0. 1 into minus 1 become minus 1, 0 into 0 become 0. So minus 1. 2 into 1 become 2, 1 into 0 becomes 0. So 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 0, minus 2. Then find out AC. A become 1 0 2 1, C become 1 minus 1 0 2. 1 into 1 become 1, 0 into 0 become 0. 1 into minus 1 become minus 1, 0 into 2 become 0. So minus 1. 2 into 1 become 2, 1 into 0 become 0. So 2. 2 into minus 1 become minus 2, 1 into 2 becomes 2. So minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So we can take the addition of AB plus AC should be equal to, we can add corresponding element. 1 plus 1 become 2, minus 1 plus minus 2 become, minus 1 plus minus 1 become minus 2. 2 plus 2 become 4 and minus 2 plus 0 become minus 2. This is equation number 2. If you compare this equation and this equation, here we can see both are equal. So we can say matrix multiplication obey distributive law. So we can write A into B plus C should be equal to AB plus AC. This is the fifth property of a matrix multiplication. Next property is multiplicative identity. That means here we are taking two matrices, that is first A matrix and identity matrix I. Take the condition both orders should be same. Okay. Then this property tells if you going to multiply A into I should be equal to I into A, it should be equal to A. This is the sixth property, that is multiplicative identity. That is we going to multiply a matrix A with the identity matrix, then we will get the A matrix. Okay. The order should be same. To prove this condition, we can take same order matrix, that is can take A is equal to 1 0 minus 1 2. Also we can take second order matrix of identity, that means I2 is equal to 1 0 0 1. Okay, first we can take A into I product. Okay, so 1 into 1 become 1, then 0 into 0 becomes 0, so 1. Then 1 into 0 becomes 0, 0 into 1 becomes 0. Next, minus 1 into 1 become minus 1, 2 into 0 become 0, so minus 1. Then 2 in 1 minus 1 into 0 becomes 0, 2 into 1 become 2. So here we get AI. If you compare this AI with this A matrix, both are equal. That means if you taking the product of A into I, you will get A. Also we can prove the second condition, that is IA. We can multiply I into A. We can write the I value 1 0 0 1. Also we can write the A value 1 0 minus 1 2. We can take the product. 1 into 1 become 1. Also 0 into minus 1 becomes 0. So 1. Then 1 into 0 become 0. 0 into 2 becomes 0. So 0. 0 into 1 becomes 0. 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1. Then 0 into 0 becomes 0. 1 into 2 becomes 2. If you compare this product value with this A matrix, both are equal. So we can write IA should be equal to A. So this property is satisfied. What is the property? Multiplicative identity. AI should be equal to IA should be equal to A. So these are the important properties of matrix multiplication. Thank you.